All right, language explorers. Let's have a look at this Sunday's Sunday preposition. So, about, on the subject of, talking of. Yeah. I am reading a book about law. I am learning about Spanish, for example. Are you going to write more books about history? Are you going to write more books about history? I like to read about science. Yeah, this book is about science. How cool is that? They are always talking about traveling. Yeah. He often talks about wanting to go there. Makes sense. How cool is that? So I like to talk about science. Yeah. We like to read about maths. They like to learn about history, perhaps. It is a book about law, science, Spanish, history, adventure. Yeah, so he is talking about his past. She is thinking about going there. She's thinking about going there. Thinking of going there. Yeah. We talked about it yesterday. Yeah, we talked about it yesterday. He is talking about it now. It is interesting, or it is useful, and about psychology. Yeah, this topic is interesting and it is about psychology. It is a useful topic and it is about psychology. It is useful and it is about psychology, the way the mind thinks and works. They are thinking about going there next year. So, I am thinking about going to Gibraltar in January. I am thinking about going, climbing up Ben Nevis in April. Thinking about, yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Thinking about it. How cool is that? Yeah. So, about, talking about, thinking of, on the subject of. I am thinking about learning Arabic. Are you thinking about learning Spanish? Are you thinking about it? Are you thinking about it? I am thinking about it. Yeah, it could be good. I am thinking about it. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, so about, on the subject of, talking of, reading about science, about traveling. Yeah. So, can you use about in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching for English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as searching my name, Adrian Nanchev, on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.